from The Unprofessional, and I am in my brand new, fully renovated, tiny attic bathroom, and I'm excited to show you all the changes I made. So excited, in fact, that I'm actually sitting on my toilet, which is weird. But look, I have pants on, so it's fine. All right, come on, let's take a look. All right, now that I've overdone it with the dramatic sound effects, let me show you piece by piece. Thanks for watching. This has been Laura from The Unprofessional. To see written instructions for this project and other DIY projects, visit my website, theunprofessional.com. And if you like this video, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe.